Hey there, bods, Angry Bird 121 here, back with another vid. And there's been a new rotation in Feral Bait, and the massive update has a chance to arrive later today. Yes. Oh, today's going to be a busy day. Yeah, in Feral Bait. So I'm gonna start off with the rotation video. The update video will have to wait, as I think they're gonna release it in the evening for those in the UK, because like time zones and all that. And there's a lockpick here, or is it? In the previous rotation there was a limited edition lockpick that was actually an enigma. Okay, no, not this time. I'm just going to save having to hold down W, A, S and D and just hold down shift and both the left and right sides of my mouse, as this is the easiest way to move around in Feral Bait. Because if you hold down both sides of the mouse, then you can automatically walk with camera control, and holding down shift means you walk faster. So time to get to this new quest. I heard it reveals a bit of the lore about the tundra. So the quest is around here. And we got here pretty fast because with my new laptop I have like no lag. Okay, looks like the quest music is broken. First I'm going to open this treasure chest, just to see what's inside. And I have done it without breaking a single lockpick, because as Bean once said, no lag equals better accuracy. Okay, so looks like we have to head to the Wayfarer area again. Apparently they're working on a Wayfarer NPC or creature or something. I've seen screenshots on the Feral Wildworks wiki. First I've just got to open this treasure chest. And I tested tested my treasure chest opening skills with no lag, and I was actually able to open a Glurple chest, only breaking 4 lockpicks. Okay, I got a bit overexcited then and pressed space too soon. Because I prefer pressing space, because it's faster. For a second I thought, is this a new music? But no. It's the same one, just continuing where we left off. Okay, I wish there was I have a job. What dialogue option? I thought this was about the law, or about the Wayfarer, but I'm clearly wrong. And now I've seen that dialogue, I might not actually upload this quest video if it just continues like this. I wish that some of the screenshots I'd seen on Instagram had been a bit more explaining about this quest. I thought this was full on about the law of the Wayfarer, because of what they said in their posts. But anyways, enough of that. You see that there was no picture on maybe it's something to do with the Nothing Burger, a new meme on the Small Feral YouTubers Discord server that I kind of started. It's gone so far since I just said, wow, a nothing. That's a very big prize. And then it just evolved from there, like Mystic Millie gave me and Pixels stars. A role called Giver of the Nothing. Is there a way to uninitiate the quest? Can you help me? Okay. Let's just hope that the new update is better than this. I wish one of the dialogue options in that conversation could have been like, no, I have enough burger to eat. Or perhaps I think I hear someone calling my username, or something like that. So like you're about to run away, because they did have dialogue options like that in previous quests. It's like in the first Tundra quest that was there since I joined the beta. The one about the snowballs. I wish I could just uninitiate this quest and not have to talk to Mr. Nothing Burger again. That historian guy may be invisible like a Nothing Burg. But that doesn't mean that he can just tell me get something and I have to do it. Like, if I give him a nothing burger, then will he stop bothering me? Because I heard nothing burgers are actually quite based. Yeah, I just did a giveaway of one on the Small Feral YouTubers server, and Bean had a nothing burger before, and he says that it was quite nice. Alright, fine, I'll bring this guy whatever it is he wants, but I hope that the prize he gives is better than a nothing burger. Seriously, I just got that? I wanted at least a nothing burger. Oh, after all that. Well, looks like that. Does it then? Nah. Time to end this video, and I'm going to go on Minecraft now and try and make a texture pack that hopefully includes a nothing burger. Okay, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!